Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Roborock Saros Z70. If you're interested in the Z70 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we need to identify where the reset button is right there. And you got to get something really small like a SIM removal tool, maybe a paper clip if it's thin enough, so we can press the reset button in there. So we'll be holding down the home button. We're going to press the reset button. We'll continue to hold down the home button for a couple more seconds, and then it will factory reset. So home button, press that, let go. We're going to keep holding it for a second. Watch this light here. There, just blinked. We can let go. It's flashing.
Restoring factory settings.
Voice prompt.
This will take about 5 minutes.
Restoring the settings. And that's it. Now you wait. Okay, we're like 2.5 minutes in. We have this light back on, blinking again. Power button still flashing. We continue to wait. Now the power button has stopped flashing. We still have this indicator light flashing. We'll continue to wait. Just heard a little click sound in there. The power button is now illuminated again. Both lights are on and lit up, and the home button. And that's it. When you have all those lights illuminated, you're all set and ready to go. So just to recap, to factory reset your Saros Z70, hold down the home button, then just press and release the reset button with the small tool. Continue to hold down the home button until you see the lights change or hear the voice prompt. Then you're good to release that button. Give it about 5 minutes, maybe a little more, a little less, to conduct the full reset, and then you're free to use it again.